We found our friend. We found our friend. Hey y'all, it's Lady Led and
Karla with a K.
From
Time to Grow.
Yes, we found our friend. So we decided to bring the RV out to stretch your legs, and this was back in October, and it was my birthday weekend, and I just wanted to chill out, get some rest and relaxation in. Oh, so far everything is just nice and beautiful. They've got cabins, and my friend Karla happens to be staying in this nice one right here.
Come on in. Rustic wood.
That is cute.
Isn't that cute?
Welcome to the cabin. This is nice.
Birthday.
No, you did not.
Happy birthday,
Oh my God, I gotta give you hugs.
So this is you.
Oh my God, that is so cute. You already knew I was gonna love it.
So I want you to try these. These are gonna be sugar-free cupcakes.
Cool.
4 net grams of carbs. So
How did you manage this? What's the flour?
I have some almond flour.
Really?
Yes. I need sugar-free chocolate icing.
Okay.
Let's to put my icing up against these other 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that'll be fun.
And as part of our cake decorating activity for your birthday, so I'm relaunching my bakery business now because now I feel like it's a product I can get behind.
Mm-hmm.
I have a hard time selling sugar-laden products now. Like it just doesn't.
Right.
Like okay, once
It is so needed. Oh my goodness.
I said I've got to figure out a way to reduce this impact to your gut every time you, even when you do it occasionally, because even this you don't want to eat every week.
Right.
But when you do, you want to reduce the impact, have a gluten-free, sugar-free line that with the icing.
Karla, we're gonna do a taste test on her cupcakes that are made with alternative flour. So she said she's got almond flour,
arrowroot flour. It's sweetened with monk fruit as opposed to your regular sugars. So you do not have your high sugar. It's only 4 grams of net carbs.
Ooh.
The same with a chocolate cake. You can take this base yellow cake and it could become anything you want. It could be lemon. It could be whatever you want it to be. So, yeah, I live with it. Yeah. So now I want you to sample the cake. Tell me what you think of the cake, and then I want us to try the different icings with it.
It smells good.
Let me see.
Smell, taste, texture. Let me know what y'all are feeling.
Oh, this is good. Texture is good.
You said better.
Well, I like it. I told you, I like it.
It was hot yesterday.
Yeah. You know what this?
Right?
You know what this remind me of?
It melts.
This tastes like that cheesecake you made. Real smooth, like fluffy. That's what this remind me of.
Okay.
So you can try some icing. Now what you can do is you want to try it on the plate, or do you want to try it on to taste it itself, or do you want to try it on a cupcake?
On a cupcake, because I wouldn't normally just taste icing, and I wouldn't know if it's
Good or not.
yeah. Okay.
I like yours, and I don't even know what that is.
Well, that's going to be natural with the fewest ingredients, the homemade one.
That's usually how I roll.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good.
Oh, you like this one? Okay. Good.
Usually, when people put stuff in containers, they don't, you know,
I never.
that label is just
in
for
all of-
legal purposes.
In all of my years of doing, I had a cake business, cake decorating business beforehand. I always made my own icings. Always.
Yeah.
I cannot.
That buttercream.
Mm.
Oh, God.
And
I like the flavors in this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one is a little bitter, but the texture of it is a little smoother.
Okay.
Than this one.
All right. So that one, the birch bender is a little smoother texture.
But it's not as sweet though. I like yours better.
Let me taste.
I like hers better, but this is the other keto frosting. You might want to taste.
Usually you be on point with me, and I know good.
Don't do that one. That one has sugar, but try that one.
This makes me happy because this is my original chocolate frosting recipe that I would use with regular sugar, but I just switched out to sugar. That's
the monk fruit is the one.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff I never tried just because of the price.
I bought it so I could compare it because I said, you know what, I'm gonna try to beat this. I'm not gonna spend here's another reason why this stuff is not accessible to the average person. You wanted to go in and this costs $6.98 at Walmart. So if I wanted to go in and eat healthier, and I go and I look in the aisle and I'm like, oh, this doesn't have the sugar in it, but it's $7. You're not going to do that. You're not going
That's
to
what I was
do
about to say.
that.
Triple the price.
The only reason I bought it was to compare it to mine.
Right.
I said I need to do some market research. I'm going to have to buy this. But this, with 3 simple ingredients, 4 with my extracts, the vanilla and the, I didn't even use almond extract in this, just pure vanilla extract, butter, and...
I could have swore I was tasting almond, because that's one of my favorite flavorings.
It's in my cake.
Okay, so it's in the cake.
Yes, it's the yellow almond. That's one of my favorites too. So the cake has pure vanilla and almond extract, pure almond extract.
Yours beat out the birch benders because it was sweeter, more flavorful. I like the smoothness of the birch because texture is important too, but it wasn't as flavorful. So this frosting wins, and of course the cake, it just melted in my mouth. I like it.
I'm so excited. This is my first sugar-free dessert, but not my last.
No,
so I'm excited.
It's not gonna be your last, even if you try, because people about to be like, "Where can I get these?"
I'm so excited. That was my first. Y'all are witnessing my very first sugar-free dessert.
This is so groundbreaking for people that's trying to get healthy.
Well, good. And this is so your cupcake. So you're taking these with you,
okay,
along with this icing.
You can try to trick mine. Just try.
So y'all, check out Karla from Time to Grow.
Yes.
Keep an eye on her upcoming cookbook and whatever else.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. It's Lady Led.
Leah Farm 73.
Karla.
Karla with a K.
Time to grow.
Time to Grow.
All right, y'all.
We love you. We out.